Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to sync your iCloud photos and videos to your Windows PC or vice versa? In this video, I will show you how this works using iCloud for Windows. Let's go. Although iCloud is specifically designed for Apple devices such as iPhone, iPad, and Mac, it is also possible to install it on a Windows PC. With iCloud for Windows, you have immediate access to your iCloud Drive, photos, mail, contacts, and more. However, please note that this software requires minimum system requirements for Windows. To know more details about this, click on the tag at the top right corner. iCloud Photos safely stores your image and video files in the cloud, allowing for convenient access from any device at any time. For the sync to work, make sure iCloud Photos is activated on your iPhone. Otherwise, your files will not sync. To do this, open Settings, scroll down to Photos, and make sure that the iCloud Photos toggle is enabled. There are two ways to install iCloud to your computer. You can either download it directly from the Microsoft Store or install the executable file. Each have minor differences in their user interface, understandably, because the executable file is designed for Windows 7 and 8. I recommend the version from the Microsoft Store because it has more updated and stable features. Keep in mind that in order to install apps from the Microsoft Store, you must be logged into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, click on the tag to sign up for free. Now simply search for iCloud and download it. After installation, log into your Apple ID. You will likely be asked for the two-factor authentication code, so make sure you keep your trusted iOS device close. The iCloud for Windows software includes iCloud Drive, photos, bookmarks, and more. You can check each feature if you want them synced as well, but for now, I'll only choose Photos. Next, click the Options button and make sure that the iCloud Photos and Shared Albums are both checked to enable the sync. You'll also notice that your iCloud storage details are available below. When everything is set up, launch the File Explorer and access iCloud Photos directly from the navigation pane. All of your photos and videos in the cloud will instantly sync to your PC as soon as you open the folder. Any photos you capture on your iPhone will instantly be uploaded to your computer as well. You can also upload files and have them sync to your iPhone. Simply drag and drop or copy and paste files into the iCloud Photos folder. Note that deleting files from the iCloud Photos within your Windows PC will only free up space in your local drive and will not delete those in the cloud. Deleting files in the cloud is only allowed using any of your iOS devices. If you want to know how to free up space on your PC, check out the tag at the top right corner. As additional information, iCloud for Windows does not allow Manage Apple IDs. So if you require access to your organization's photos and videos, you can only do so online through the iCloud website. To know more how this works, you can watch another of my videos linked in the tag above. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.